Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank? You know the words, you understand movies, you understand your teacher, but when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. If this is you, don't worry. You are not alone. This is a very common problem, and today I will help you fix it. First, let's understand the real reason. Your brain has two different skills. One is understanding, the other is speaking. Understanding is passive, speaking is active. It's like watching a cricket match and actually playing cricket. Watching is easy. Playing needs practice. So your problem is not English. Your problem is lack of speaking practice. Now let's go deeper. There is also a psychological reason. When you try to speak, your brain says, "What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me?" This fear stops your mouth. But listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns faster. So, what should you do? I will give you 3 simple steps. Step 1. Speak alone every day. Yes, alone. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes. For example, I am sitting in my room. I am watching this video. I want to improve my English. This builds confidence. Step 2. Think in English. Stop translating from your language. Start with small thoughts. I am hungry. I need water. This is easy. Slowly, your brain will switch to English. Step 3. Speak slowly, not perfectly. Don't try to speak fast. Don't try to be perfect. Speak simple sentences. Communication is more important than perfection. Remember this powerful idea. Fluency is not about knowing big words. Fluency is about using simple words with confidence. Now, I want you to do something. Pause this video and say this sentence out loud. I can speak English. I am learning every day. Say it again. Good. See, you can speak. You just need practice, not permission. So from today, speak more, fear less, and trust yourself. I believe in you. And very soon, you will say, I understand English, and now I can speak it too. See you in the next lesson.